I just did that all on my own. All on my own. I cannot tell you how excited I am right now. So I'm going solo camping. Now it is coming towards the end of September and I'm thinking it might be a bit chilly at night. It's something different from me this week. So no folding caravan. Instead we're going off-grid. A little bit off grid. I'm popping up to Shropshire actually because there's a walk, there's a National Trust walk that I've been wanting to do forever, and I'm finally plucking up the courage. I mean, honestly, I'm so anxious. I'm really frightened about this. I'm frightened about not walking on my own, but I'm frightened about staying on my own tonight. So I've packed up the car and go outdoors to actually get us some new walking boots, because the hike I want to do tomorrow, I will need my walking boots for it. So yeah, stay tuned for that. Stay tuned to see where I'm staying tonight, and I'm going to take you with me. Let's go camping. Just, oh, look, it's breathtakingly beautiful. Oh my gosh, oh, I've got to drive up this single track road for quite a while. I think it's just over a mile, but yeah, there's quite a drop down there. How fun. Right, okay, let's do this. So glad I bought the chimney. Okay. Going back down into, I've gone up and now I'm going back down. Hello. I'm glad I didn't bring my massive car or my caravan. Hello. You want to be friends? Yeah. Okay, I've arrived. This is my parking. Pods are just there, so let's go and have a look. Oh. Up there. Oh, you can open and close the blind. Lovely. Cute. For your boots. Bed. Deck chair. Oh my god, they left me a beer. Love that. Kettle, bottle opener. This is the cutest. Wooden bed. Okay, not too bad. Best of all, look at the view. This is my little area. Seats. Fire pit. All my stuff to cook with tonight. I'm really excited about cooking outside, having a beer, lighting a candle. And yeah, this is my pod. The view is absolutely beautiful. Surrounded by trees, fields, sheep. I didn't need to, but I did bring my own pillow and blankets. But actually, they're really clean here. I've already had a look. I also brought my own battery charger and some drinks, although there was a beer left for me, which is nice. And there's like lighting and everything here, actually, which, yeah. Here, and look at the view. I mean, that's what I wanted, the view. So happy about that. I just woke up from a little nap, just for an hour or so, which is unheard of for me. I can't even remember the last time I got to nap. You see, I'm quite toasty in here. It's nice and warm. It's quite windy outside now, so should we go and cook some dinner? Let's go and cook some dinner. I went to the car And I got my own chair out. It's just one of those little fold up ones that goes in a bag because the other one here was a little bit too low. And I've got my nice comfy little fake fur thing on it. Now, let's just hope that the sun is going to set right there. How nice will that be? It's like right over that hill. So please stay there, sun. Because if you sit there, that would be lovely. Come on then, let's go and cook. I made a friend. Look cozy. Good morning. Let's just remind ourselves why we're here. I slept really well. To start off with, but then I woke up about 3 o'clock and I was too hot. So I'm just going to make myself some breakfast, tidy up. I'll show you what I'm doing. Filming the sunrise. Beautiful sheep. For breakfast, it's porridge. I'm just waiting for the water to heat up. Just add boiling water. And some nuts. So I've made sure I've had a really, really good breakfast. No, this is my hiking kit for today. So I'm taking my Canon camera, and that breakfast was so good. I'm taking a little tripod. I'm definitely going to take this for my phone. I'm not taking this, but I bought this with me. I bought this off of Amazon a few months ago and I've used it so much. It was fully charged when I left the house, and I've charged my phone overnight, all my cameras. It's only used 1 bar, so that would definitely last us off grid for about 3 days. Amazing bit of kit, I'll link it below. Oh, I'm taking some money, some change and my bank card just in case. And then I've got some snacks. I've had a good breakfast, so some Pringles and iced coffee for when I'm up there, up by the waterfall, I think. Apple puff and a tracker. All in my daughter's backpack. actually can't believe I just did that all on my own. Please don't forget to subscribe if you enjoyed the video. I'm still a tiny channel, I know, but let's build it up together. Don't forget to subscribe.